Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll compare gold versus Bitcoin and which is best against inflation. Inflation. With rising prices and economic uncertainty, investors are looking for ways to protect their wealth. But which one is better and which one is smarter? Let's break it down. Gold, as you know, has been the go-to inflation hedge for centuries. It holds an intrinsic value and it is widely acceptable. And it has survived economic pressures, wars, financial crises, and whatnot. But it's slow to appreciate and hard to store in large amount and not as liquid as digital assets. Moving on to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is often called digital gold. It has fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it scarce like gold. It is easily transferable, decentralized, and has seen massive price appreciation over the years. However, Bitcoin is highly volatile, faces regularity and uncertainty, and hasn't been tested in a long-term inflation cycle. So if you'll ask me which one to choose, definitely I'll say go for one which is stable and proven reliable, which is definitely gold and is the safest choice for preserving your wealth. But there are some people who want high reward, but high reward comes with high risk. And if you choose Bitcoin, it definitely will give you high reward, but the huge gains comes with extreme volatility of the Bitcoin. So some investors prefer both gold for stability and Bitcoin for growth, but it depends person to person. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.